The incident that occurred in the Chief Justice's court, in the Supreme Court, with the attempt to throw the shoes on the Chief Justice is the most unfortunate. I think it's a tragedy that such a thing has happened. We condemn it. The Advocates Association Bangalore has held a protest and we deprecate such a conduct. Resort to violence, unruly behavior and abuse is not the way forward. A healthy democracy dwells on and is built on a healthy debate and on the basis of sharing of ideas, differences and dissent. True that the Chief Justice may have said something that had hurt the sentiments of Hindus. The Chief Justice should not have said that. That is acceptable. And we ask the Chief Justice to withdraw such a statement. We never expected the head of the judiciary to make such a statement on Lord Vishnu, whom we hold so dear. Lord Vishnu is one of the iconic and most supreme gods in the Hindu pantheon of gods. And to hurt the feelings of Hindus by stating something on Lord Vishnu is unacceptable. I wish the Chief Justice of India mulls over it, thinks over it and withdraws these statements. And if he does so, it will show his capacity to answer the people's demands and people's expectations. Though he may be the Chief Justice, still to err is human. And it would be better that if he withdraws these statements. But the attack on the Chief Justice's chair and his court hall is something that is unacceptable. We may confront many issues which we cannot digest in a democracy. There are millions of views and billions of ideas. But the answer is not to throw and hurl things against each other. The answer is to debate, to tell the Chief Justice that he is wrong and to request him to withdraw or to demand him to withdraw. The answer is not to throw slippers. I wish that the Chief Justice who said that Vishnu will come, meditate upon Vishnu and he will grant your wish, who said something like that, I think he should not have said that. He has forgotten that the Vishnu of Hindus is a Vishnu who has manifested himself to thousands of devotees in reality, both in his state Maharashtra and all over India. Mirabai, by seeing Krishna, saw the same Vishnu. Gnanadeva saw Vishnu. And Chakkamela in Maharashtra, by seeing Vittala, saw Vishnu. All these are forms of Vishnu. They manifested themselves by throwing open all barriers in reality before their devotees. So please don't underestimate Lord Vishnu. Therefore, we request the Chief Justice that this is a very mature democracy and there is no place for violence here. We have to withdraw such a statement made which offends Hindus. And then we can call the Chief Justice a great Chief Justice if he does so. Because to err is human. We may err, we may blunder. We are not perfect. We cannot make things around us absolutely perfect. But in this imperfection, to withdraw and recant, to say that we can correct ourselves and move forward, that is the model and the manner in which the Honorable Chief Justice should have proceeded. And therefore, we ask Sri Gawai to kindly withdraw his statement. But nevertheless, we deprecate the act of throwing shoes on his chair. He is the Chief Justice of India, a constitutional head, a high constitutional functionary. And if we treat him in such a manner, then it is an offensive treatment against the country, against the judicial system, and we cannot tolerate it. He is our Chief Justice, and we will not tolerate any insult to him. Therefore, the Advocates Association Bangalore fought against this injustice and protested yesterday in huge numbers on the assault or the unruly act in the Chief Justice's court. Let's all stand together in this effort and ensure that there is purity of justice in the Indian system and there is great respect for the judges in the system. Thank you very much.